to add TONCOIN in Trust Wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add TONCOIN in Trust Wallet. To add TONCOIN in Trust Wallet, first of all you will need to open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device, and here you will need to enter your passcode in order to log in or access your wallet. After entering the passcode, you will land on this home page. Here when you scroll down, you will find two different sections here. Tap on this crypto section, and under it you will find all the list of coins you have added to your wallet. From here, if you have added TON previously, you will be able to see the TON in this list. But if you haven't it previously, you will not be able to view it. So now to add it, here you will find this manage crypto option. Tap on this option. And in this list, here you need to find TON option. You may also use the search bar at the top. Tap on the search bar and there type in TON. Once you type in, now you will be presented with the search results below. On the top, you will find this TON option. And at the right side, you will find the toggle button. Now to add it, you will need to tap on this toggle button at the right side. Now it will be added to your wallet. If in case you didn't see this TON option in this list, you may also add it by custom. For that, you need to tap on this plus icon from the top, and then you will need to fill the details of TON to add it to your wallet. Now after you have done that, when you come back to the previous page, there you will find the TON coin that you have just added. So by following these steps, you should be able to add TON coin in Trust Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.